Hey guys, Miata Man here. Today I've got my 1991 British Racing Green Miata here, and I've noticed lately, I've been on a couple of car cruises, and when we're kind of crawling along, it's starting to heat up a fair bit. And usually what I do to combat that is I put the heat on and turn the fan up full, and then it knocks it back to an acceptable level again on the temp gauge. So that's a good strategy if you're running hot. Put the heat on. Put it on the setting that's going to pull all the heat through the vents and everything else. And usually I use the bi-level for that so it doesn't cook you in the summer. But anyway, that's how I've been dealing with it. But I'm finally getting a chance to realize what is causing the problem. And our culprit is this guy here. That is what is sometimes called the Thermo Fan Switch, or the fan switch, and all it is a temperature sensor, and that's what a new one looks like right there. So it's super easy job. When that doesn't work, the fan doesn't turn on here, and that's crucial if you're sitting in traffic, right? So if the car's running hot and that fan's not coming on, your temperature gauge is going to spike. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to push this tab right here, and I'm going to take a 17mm wrench, and I'm going to break that loose. There we go. Now you can see the tip of this one's all corroded and everything else, so that one looks like it's no good. And that's it compared to the new one right there. And so we'll thread the new one up, and what I've done is I've put some silicone grease on that seal to help lube it up. I'll just try and get the cat hairs off of this thing. We've got a big orange cat around here and his hair is everywhere. So we'll just pop that in and we'll thread it up by hand and thread it all the way in. Go. And what I'll do is I'll snug it down with this. I wouldn't recommend you go too tight, because that's usually when bad things happen. We just want to make sure that it doesn't leak. There we go. So just a little bit of pressure there, just so that that gasket can make a good seal and we don't get any leakage. There we go. Slide that on. Job done. So now when this thing gets hot, the fan will turn on and our problems are solved. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps you out. Leave some comments if you have any questions. Hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.